how to enable dark mode on AllTrails. So on AllTrails application, you won't find any feature or any inbuilt feature that will allow you to turn to dark mode on the application. So you would have to do it from the settings of your mobile devices. So let's open settings. Now once you come to settings, tap on display. Now from here, simply choose dark option. Now, once the dark mode has enabled on your phone's system, now simply open AllTrails application. And with that, you can see that you will be able to enable dark mode on AllTrails from your mobile system. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.